Let's see the next topic from computer awareness. It is computer memory. Student, in this particular chapter, you will find these types of question. The first one and the very important one is related to memory units. Basically, their conversion also. Like 1 GB is equal to how many KB? Such type of question can be asked from this particular subtopic. The next one is the classification of memory. Okay, so he can ask you the type of memory from the options. Okay, the next one is on the specific memory. Okay, so he will take any type of memory and from that particular memory he can ask you the question. And the last one is the memory hierarchy, where he can ask you the speed and size of a particular memory. Okay, like which of the memory is fastest or which of the memory is the slowest one. Okay, so let's see what are the memory units. So first thing you should remember, all the memory units are in the power of 2. This 2 is very powerful in the computers. We will see in the later class. For the timing, you just remember all the memory units are of power of 2. And since there are two options, either 0 and 1, so it will have 2 power and distinct value. Okay. So the very first one is the bit. So in exam, he can ask you the full form. Okay, what is the full form or abbreviation of bit? Remember, it is binary digit. So from binary it is BI, and from the digit, the last one T. So binary digit, the full form of bit is binary digit. And as you know, the word binary means 2. So basically this binary means 2 radix. Okay, radix is there that we are going to see in data representation. Okay, so the binary means 2 radix. 2 radix means it is able to identify 2 symbols. What are those symbols? 0 or 1. Okay, so the 1 bit means binary digit, and this 1 bit, as we have seen, there are 2 and distinct value. So 1 bit means 2 power 1, that is 2. So 2 distinct value can be identified, 0 or 1. The next is the nibble. So if you combine 4 bits, it will become 1 nibble. So in exam generally ask is the what is called the collection of 4 bit, it is nibble. Okay, the next one is byte. So when you combine 8 bits, it become bytes. Okay, so when you combine 8 bits, it become byte. And or in other words, if you combine 2 nibbles, you will have 1 byte or 8 bits. Okay, so let me repeat once again. 1 bit is binary digit, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, and 8 bits equal to 1 byte or 2 nibbles. The next one is 1024 bytes. So that's what I am telling you, it is power. 2 power 10 is what? 1024. Okay, so when you combine 2 power 10 bytes, it become kilobyte. Okay, KB means kilobyte. Okay, so 1 kilobyte equal to how many bytes? 1024 bytes. But if I ask you 1 kilobyte has how many bits? So again, as you know, 1 byte is 8 bit. So your answer would be 1024 into 8 bits. So, okay, I will write 1024 into 8 bits will be there in 1 KB. Okay, let's see the next. 1024 KB. Okay, so again, if you have 2 power 10 KB, it will become 1 MB. Okay, 1 megabyte. So 1 megabyte equal to 1024 KB. Okay, similarly 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB, and 1 TB is equal to 1024 GB. Okay. Afterwards we have PB, that is petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, yottabytes, brontobyte and geobyte. Okay, so you can ignore these two, these are not asked in exam, but till yottabyte you should remember. Okay, yottabytes, there is one trick you can remember from this trick, KMGT PESI. Okay, kilo, mega, giga, आगे टेरा, पेटा, एक्सा, zeta and yotta. Okay, KMGT PESI, kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa, zota, yotta. Okay, KMGT PESI. Okay, and in exam what he can ask you, the calculations. Okay, like how many TB makes 1 PB, petabyte, or in other word, like 1 MB is equal to how many bytes, or 1 TB is equal to how many MBs. Okay, such type of question can be asked in an exam, and we are going to see one session on those particular conversion. Okay.